English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
Almost there, Feifei.
Can't wait. What a climb it has been, Neil.
And there we are. Oh, wow. It is beautiful.
I can see for miles.
I could just sit on this mountain all day. What? I thought I'd turned it off. Ah, it's my dentist. Oh, man. Hello? Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Bye.
What did she say?
She said it's time for my annual checkup.
That's good, isn't it?
No, I hate going to the dentist. Sorry, I can't enjoy this view anymore. I'm heading back. What a buzzkill.
Neil? Neil, come back! Well, he's off. Poor Neil was enjoying the view up here so much. But the news about his checkup completely ruined his mood. We can call something like that a buzzkill. It kills your buzz. In other words, your happy mood. I'd better catch up with him. Listen to these examples.
My holiday was amazing, but on the way back, my plane was delayed for over 6 hours. That was a major buzzkill.
Jun was excited to move into his new apartment, but it was a huge buzzkill when he discovered mice in the bedroom.
I scored 3 goals last week, but then got a really nasty injury in the last minute. The doctor said I can't play for 2 months now. Bit of a buzzkill.
You're listening to the English We Speak from BBC Learning English. The expression we're looking at in this programme is buzzkill. Neil! Neil, stop!
No, Feifei. It's not the same. I'm just not in the mood anymore.
Last time I went to the dentist, she said my teeth were fine. You brush every day, don't you?
Yes,
And there's no pain.
not at the moment.
Well, it will probably be fine. Hey, don't ruin my climb as well. Let's go back up.
Oh, okay, sorry. I don't mean to be a buzzkill. You're right.
And I've got some lovely sweets to enjoy. Here, they're sugar-free.
Thanks. Oh, tasty. Bye.
Bye.
The English we speak.
From the BBC.
Hi everyone, we hope you enjoyed that video and thank you very much for watching. We have so many more just like it, so if you don't want to miss a single one, make sure to subscribe and we will see you regularly. Hope to see you soon. Bye guys.